Welcome to our YouTube channel Code 369. Today's topic is HTML block versus inline element. This is a full stack development course and today is class 5. We are going to learn about the things called block and inline elements and we will be learning what are the differences between them. Prerequisites for this course are: first install the VS Code and its extensions, create folder and open it in your VS Code and create an HTML file. To do all these things, I have given links in the description box. Please check it. First of all, we have to understand what is meant by nesting. Nesting is nothing but something is living inside something. If I am saying that you are nested in your home, it means that you are living inside your home. It means that something is living inside something. That means if something is nested inside something, that is what the meaning of nesting is. Nesting means living. Okay. Now let us see what is meant by block element. Block element is nothing but the elements which will not be nested inside another element is called block element. Okay, for example, we take this paragraph element. This paragraph element will not be living inside any other element. Like this, we can take heading element also. This h1 will not be living inside any other element. We can say that it is living inside body element, but this is not the case. We should not consider that. It is living separately inside the inside the body element. That is what we have to consider. And we can take div element also. We can look here also. This also live separately. It does not living inside any other element. So we can call this also a block element. Block element means some element will not be living inside any other element and it will be having its own block. Okay, that is what block element. Some commonly used block elements are heading, head element, heading h1 to h6, and paragraph element and division element. Okay, these are some of the commonly used block elements. Then let us see what are inline elements. Inline elements are nothing but they will be nested inside another element. They will be living inside another element. Here we can see this is the paragraph element and what we can see is here we can see bold element, okay, which will be showing this text as bold. This is called as bold element. We can see this bold element is living inside this paragraph element. Okay, so this is called inline element. This is living inside something else, some other element. Here we can see italics element. This is living inside this paragraph element. And here we can see underline element U. This is living inside division element. So what we can understand is if any element lives inside another element, this is called inline element. Some of the commonly used inline elements are bold, italics and underline. Okay. Another thing which we have to know is whenever you create block elements, they will be starting only from a new line. Okay, here we have created h1, this heading, these 3 lines of heading, and let us see what happens in the web page. Here we can see heading 1 we have created, but what happened here is what happened here is you can see heading here. What happened here is it started from a new line. Okay, here it started from a new line. It did not start continuously from the previous line. It started from a new line. And here we have paragraph element. This is a block element, and this paragraph started from a new line. It did not start continuously from the previous line. Okay. The same for div element also. This div element also started from a new line. This is what block element is. But it will not fit to inline elements because this bolt will not be going to start from a new line at all. Okay, this actually started from a new line, but if you are putting bold here, it will not start from a new line at all. Okay, it will be just continuing from the previous text. That is what the difference between block and inline elements. Block elements will only start from a new line. That is what you have to know. Thank you friends. Let us see in the upcoming videos. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.